Unfortunately, what happened was कि उससे 2 महीना पहले there was an event happening in Lyceum. So over there we put up a small stall और वहाँ से we got a tremendous feedback. मतलब 1 घंटे में sold out. So then we knew कि यार product अच्छा है, सारा कुछ है, and then we just start out. But still जब हमने start किया in 2 months COVID hit. So that was a blessing in disguise for us क्योंकि restaurants सारे बंद हो गए थे and our placement was in a supermarket. तो supermarkets were open और generally market was pretty much open क्योंकि लोगों के restaurant बंद थे, deliveries हो नहीं रही थी, कुछ हो नहीं रहा था and very few places were allowed to be open, a few bakeries were allowed to be open. तो वो initial phase के अंदर जो है ना market के पास options ही कम थे तो product launch और testing बहुत आसानी से बात शुरू हो. Yes, education not so much, honestly, because BBA gives you a set of soft skills. कोई specific hard skills तो आपको मिलती नहीं है. So all in all, the reason that we were able to do it was because let's say when we started OD in 2020, I was doing business since the past 12 years then. So obviously that experience across industries. And then being in the food industry for 5 years, creating a brand, failing a brand, selling it off, and then starting something new. So that is what helped the most. We have 3 partners in this. Yes, I always wanted to do something on my own. So that is why in 2013 when we started off with the food business, so initially the idea was to start off with a bakery only, but then the place we got was bigger for a bakery, so we started a restaurant. So that's how we got into it. But then once we got into it, तो उसके बाद it was फिर वही बात थी कि यार how to make it bigger or how to scale it up. And in that process, in the first 5 years जो पिछला brand था, उसके अंदर again when we start scaling it up, so then we realized कि यार हम definitely needed to scale up a business. There was the proper structures were not in place. So that is why eventually we realized कि यार मतलब there's too much baggage in this brand, or eventually we'll have to just close it down. So that's why we were lucky enough that we could sell it off, and then got into this with the experience and the failures behind us. Number one, it was a scalable product. It could be scaled up to let's say 100 locations in Pakistan, and then being a global product could be taken abroad also. Plus, there was a very big gap in the market क्योंकि आपकी market के अंदर since probably the past 20 years there is only one donut brand, that's Dunkin'. Other than that, there's nobody in the market. If you look at other scalable products, let's say a burger brand or a pizza brand, there are many players in the market, local as well as international. But here there was a big gap in the market. Because we were already into a brand that we sold off, so we had funds for that. But for this project specifically, because the last entity was eventually a loss-making entity जब हमने बेचा उसको, तो for this the whole idea was to grow on the basis of franchising. So initially we set up our own. We had the fund to set up the factory and the first location. After that, all expansion was through franchising. All cities were through franchising. So the plan was always to invest into the back-end system, in people, in structures, in let's say R&D, in product, or the front-end retail that would be done by the franchisees. यार वैसे तो the honest competition was Dunkin' because of its massive scale and volume. उसके अलावा Happy started with us, right with us at Karachi. So again for the small percentage or the elitist market, तो वो generally Dunkin' was a dying brand, but still it has the numbers. So for the consumer's perspective, probably वो होगा कि यार Happy and OD are competition, but for us, volume wise, it was always Dunkin'. And what else did you ask?
How did it differentiate your company from the competitors?
Yeah, the whole thing was that once we started off, we were not copying or modeling any other brand. So the idea was to do something different. The idea was to do something new and then not compromise on any quality. That's the tagline के made fresh daily. So let's say अगर किसी दिन बारिश हो जाती है and let's say 50% of stock is still on the shelf, they'll still be wasted and not be used tomorrow. So whatever we have is made every day and it's fresh. So that is where the whole thing was कि यार आपने you need to give a quality product and that is it. यार नहीं, initially when we started off ना तो बहुत ऑर्गेनिक था. ऑर्गेनिक इस तरह था कि we were taking pre-orders. मतलब हमने स्टार्ट ऐसे किया ब्रांड कि it wasn't available anywhere. तो it was कि यार आप आज ऑर्डर करेंगे, you will get it tomorrow. And उस वक्त there was no branding. There was just an Instagram page जहाँ पे आप हमें ऑर्डर कर सकते थे and a WhatsApp number that I was following it up personally. जो ऑर्डर आता था I would take it personally, forward it to the kitchen और वहाँ से अगले दिन उतने नोट्स बनते थे. The pickup spot was my partner's house. तो वो होता ये था कि यार आप आज ऑर्डर करेंगे कल आपको मिलेगा. Because the product was so fresh and so good, तो वो automatically जो है ना word of mouth बनना शुरू हो गया था. And again, if you want it today, you can't get it. तो वो automatically there was a gap कि यार supply wasn't there was demand. So people wanted even more. और वो availability उसकी थी नहीं. And again, this is an impulse product कि आपको अभी खाना आप ले लेते हैं. But in the initial stages, what we did was to control the quality, to control the product. कि यार वो we would make as many pieces as were ordered. क्योंकि इनिशियल पेजेस में ऑब्वियसली वेशंस वुड हैव बीन अ हिट टू अस, तो हम फिर उस तरीके से इसको लेके चल रहे थे. तो इनिशियल अवेयरनेस कभी भी वी डिडंट फेस एन इशू इन दैट. एंड देन अगेन वंस वी स्टार्टेड विद द फर्स्ट कियोस्क, द ब्रांडिंग वाज स्प्लेंडेड. तो वो द कलर्स एवरीथिंग, सो अगेन ऑटोमेटिकली people we would stand out in a crowd. Even at Karachi we would stand out. Physical location was a kiosk at Nahi Supermarket. So we started that in February 2020. अच्छा, उसके बाद मार्च में लॉकडाउन स्टार्टेड. तो वहाँ पे उसके बाद obviously nobody knew what was going to happen. तो उस दौरान in 2020 दो पेट्रोल पंप्स पे भी put up kiosk. There was Spar at Sharfabad. वहाँ पे भी put up a small kiosk ही कह रहे हैं उसको. So that's how we started off. The first proper location came in January 2021 in KD. अच्छा, to set it up again, that was no issues for us because already पहले 6-7 restaurant setup किए हुए थे. अच्छा, the team, the core team, जो management team थी वो तो हम खुद ही थे at the start. And then again we had a couple of people from the past business जिनको हमने carry forward किया था into the next one. तो वो सारा कुछ साथ ही था. तो resources and the setup wasn't much of an issue for us. Here from the location, probably the first one would have taken about 3 months. क्योंकि design took a lot of time. क्या वो दिखेगा कैसा, branding कैसे होगी, etc. तो इससे पहले सिर्फ क्या. But then once that was done, तो उसके बाद obviously पहले 3-4 में तो ज़्यादा टाइम लगा था. But then उसके बाद it was easy for us to just replicate it at the next location. And challenges, not really. The challenge was कि यार again the problem in setting up the first outlet was कि यार the vision was कि यार let's say we come up with a new product range जिसके अंदर probably we'll be doing gelatos, we'll be doing sandwiches, we'll be doing coffee. उस वक्त product बना हुआ नहीं था. When the first outlet was coming up, तो वो product बना हुआ नहीं था, but the plan was कि वो होगा. तो the biggest challenge was कि यार उसको incorporate किस तरह किया जाए, because when the person comes in और वो gelato display तो लगा हुआ है, वो खाली है because the product isn't there. So that was the main challenge that we had to face कि यार उसको और सारी चीज़ों को streamline कैसे करें, because we didn't want to come up with a half-baked product कि यार वो बस just for the purpose of it वो ले आया जाए without proper R&D behind it. तो वो ही था. बाकी उसके अलावा the location was there with us actually with the previous brand. जब हमने वो चीज़ें बेची थी, there was a location that we were holding. तो वो already हमारे पास ही. So वो location wasn't a challenge. It was a good location. There was good footfall over there. KDA वाली जो location. तो और कोई खास सा challenge तो उस पर face नहीं हुआ. But yes, now we face a lot of challenges in hiring proper resources. HR is the biggest challenge right now because let's say if you see internationally, तो वहाँ पे there are students who work in restaurant, so it becomes easier कि यार उनको समझाना सिखाना. In our industry that is the biggest challenge क्योंकि जो लोग आते हैं generally उनका education background जो है खासा अच्छा नहीं होता. So HR is the biggest challenge right now. Again, that was always the plan because when we set up the factory, so there was an X number of donuts that we had to make per day to break even. So that was always there, and the locations and the expansion was purely a business, a financial and a business decision. Baki kuch bhi nahi tha. We always knew there was a market. So whenever we want to go to a new location, basically we do a project feasibility on it. And see कि यार वहाँ पे let's say baseline क्या होगी, and if we think यार सही है break even would be achieved easily, so then we go for it. So that was the plan forever. Even now, right now we are at 28 locations, and inshallah in this year we plan to open up 12 more probably, and then by the end of this year go into Islamabad. So setting up a factory over there would open up Islamabad, Peshawar, Pindi, and the whole hill station wala region. Karachi still had competition. Karachi में Dunkin था, so there was still competition. But in Punjab, Dunkin की existence is almost zero. मतलब यहाँ पे it's still better. वहाँ पे it's with somebody else, so it's not popular or not available that much. और donuts की market is pretty much open. So Lahore was automatically the first choice. Lahore जाना, and it was comparatively a lower hanging fruit than even Karachi. Karachi was still more difficult to penetrate than Lahore. So Lahore was an automatic choice. And then Quetta, because we had a few people from the previous business already working in Quetta. They were doing a couple of brands from Karachi. So they wanted to do OD, and because they had the experience to do it, they had a small factory set up already. So that's why we went to Quetta first and not Islamabad. The biggest challenge is कि हर मार्केट का ना अपना एक कल्चरल डिफरेंस होता है, एंड अपना यू कुड से कस्टमर्स का अपना एक परसेप्शन होता है ऑफ एवरीथिंग. जैसे व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट कराची वी स्टार्टेड स्मॉल. हमने कियोस्क से स्टार्ट किया, देयर वाज डिलीवरी एक्सेट्रा. लाहौर वी स्टार्ट ऑफ विद द लोकेशन दैट वाज 1000 स्क्वायर फीट, बिकॉज लाहौर में द परसेप्शन वाज कि यार इफ इट्स बिग, इफ इट्स इन योर फेस, तभी लोग वहाँ पे आएंगे. तो वो मार्केट को स्टडी करने में वी नीड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, एंड देन ऑब्वियसली बाकी उसके अलावा देखिए चैलेंजेस अक्रॉस द बोर्ड इज HR, राइट, बी इन एनी सिटी. द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज दैट वी फेस इज टू गेट गुड रिसोर्सेज, एंड देन अगेन ट्रेनेबल रिसोर्सेज. इवन दो अगर वो बहुत अच्छी नहीं है तो वो कितना ट्रेन हो सकती है, बिकॉज अगेन आपको लोग तो बहुत सारे मिल जाते हैं, बट हाउ विलिंग दे आर टू पुट फॉरवर्ड देमसेल्व्स एंड देन get trained on how we want them to do. So that is still the biggest challenge. Product wasn't a challenge because supply chain हमारी जो है ना, that is centralized in Karachi. So let's say flour would go from Karachi, wheat, butter would go from Karachi. So जितना कुछ सामान हमारा है, so that supply chain and purchases centralized in Karachi and goes from here. We have got dough pre-mixes already made. तो वो वाला जो process है वो सारा streamline हमने किया हुआ है. बस HR and talent is the biggest challenge. देखें currently alhamdulillah it's been fantastic, better than what we expected. The future is in 2023 we want to penetrate more into Lahore, probably 4 to 6 more locations. In Karachi I see smaller locations, let's say probably 6 to 8 more. So that's Karachi and Lahore, and then by the end of this year we plan to set up a factory in Islamabad so that we can open up that region. So 2024 probably would be expanding into Islamabad and maybe going to tier 2 cities, probably going into Sialkot, because Lahore wali factory would get into Sialkot, Faisalabad, Gujranwala. After that, inshallah, plan to take it international. So that is the long-term goal right now.